Hi there, Taurus. How are you guys doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your reading for the last 10 days of June, money love reading. So I'll just pick up 3 random cards and it will give us messages regarding your love and money situation. So Taurus, I have just shuffled these cards. Retrograde season, Venus and Mercury, the planet of communication. Mercury is in retrograde. Venus is coming out of retrograde on 25th June. So you have to be careful in all your dealings. Go slow, go in a phased manner. This I have been telling all my videos across this month, that be very careful, cross-check things. So let's see what's there in the cards. So I'll just pick up 3 cards. So 3 cards, let's see. Taurus, this card is showing that there are certain things in your life that you are still worried about, you're upset about, you're not happy. You feel sad, because there are a lot of things which you have lost, maybe emotionally or in relationship also, and you feel that pain, and you're feeling that sad situation, and you're just looking at all the time. Emotionally, you are getting into that phase where you're just thinking, oh, you have lost so much. It happens to all of us. But I feel this is the time, that you have to also see that you have still few things left, Taurus, and that you should, instead of focusing on what you lost, you should focus on what you have and take your life forward to. But still, I would like to clarify this card. What is this regarding? This is regarding, forward regarding money or a love situation. So this is the clarification card. Okay, so here I feel that maybe you wanted to move forward with a certain decision. This is a Chariot card, and you were trying to move forward, you couldn't. This is the clarification card for this. Maybe this did not work out, a certain deal that you were looking forward. Even in a relationship, it could be you like someone and things didn't work out. Maybe there was it shows that there could be something hidden or something which you were not aware, and so you did not move forward with this. So partnership, money situation, or relationship, love situation, whatever resonates with you, with your case. So you couldn't move forward. So you were just thinking about what happened, and you have lost so much. So it's okay. Sometimes you need that. Sometimes you need the time. So we'll see the next card. 2 of Cups. So 2 of Cups talks about a love situation here, that maybe you are in love with someone. Here also we got this thing that you wanted to move forward in this. It talks about a love situation, being a retrograde season, like there could be somebody coming into your life to reconcile or a reunion. Somebody who had maybe walked away previously, and you could have had a breakup or something like this. So what I feel is that maybe for some of you it's an old flame coming back to you, and coming back, but it depends whether you want to move forward with this or not. So maybe you are in that stuck position, whether I should go forward with this relationship or this partnership. So but definitely this is some person coming back into your life. Retrograde season, you hear from your ex-friends, ex-bosses, ex-flames. So this is what I feel, Taurus, that somebody is trying to come back to your life, and you are in that double mind whether to go forward. Maybe you have seen it, they have deceived you previously, or there was a secret which you were not aware. So this talks about basically a love situation for you, and maybe you were wounded, so you're just thinking you were wounded with this card coming, and you're trying to just get into so you're not doing anything about it. You are in two minds whether to accept that or not. So let's see the third one. Oh great, this love card is basically talking about your love situation. I feel this Lovers card, it's about your love situation that you are not you don't want to move forward with this. Let me do a clarification card, because twice we get the Two of Cups and the Lovers card. So let me clarify this. Death card. I feel you are just giving up on someone. I feel a person who wants to come into your life, you aren't interested presently, Taurus. Till the June at least, you are not. You are you either you want to just go take up a new cycle wherein maybe you are feeling. I feel last reading I remember Taurus being happy with their singlehood kind of a status. Now they are enjoying friends and socializing, and they want to feel independent. So it could be like you already had two minds about a relationship with this Lovers card. I feel right now you are in no mood, and love is taking a back seat. Maybe because it was something was hidden, or something was didn't work, or there was a deceit earlier. So with this Death card, you want to take up a new cycle. Maybe it could be with the same person later on, with a fresh renewed energy, or it could be a new love coming. Transformation means either you transform your thought wholly, maybe you're looking for some new options, or you're just happy transforming from that happy being that singlehood you're enjoying, and it's like you're having, I feel with these cards, that you just want to be away from these situations right now, Taurus. So this is what I get. Now we'll take one card from the bottom of the deck. What does the bottom of the deck have for you? The Justice card. So I feel you're just waiting for the correct time, Taurus. Justice, you want you would like to wait for some time. You're not taking any decision in June, so you're waiting for either a message or a kind of you're waiting for something here, and you have not taken any decision as such in June, and I think slowly you will know that what is right and what wasn't right with the time passing by. So this is like just waiting for things to happen on its own. It also Justice cards also talks about a divorce, or a court, going to the courts for divorce. So like so it depends on your situation. Maybe you want to break up with the person. There will be some cases when you want to just break away from that relationship, or a divorce going on, or a court case going on. So these things are going for you right now. Money wise, I feel seeing these messages that you are working towards these goals with money wise, but you are slow right now, and this is it. I mean, things are going slow in June. Maybe later in the next month it might just pick up for you. So this is it, Taurus, for this month. See you next month.